Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to do the full screen in Skyrim. As you can see, there is no full screen option. We have to configure this manually. I like the Skyrim background music, it's pretty much great. Okay then, first you have to go to the document and you have to open My Games folder. There you can find the Skyrim folder. Once you have found that, open the Skyrim prefs and change this into number 1. Don't forget, 0 means disable and 1 means enable. So if you enter number 1, it will enable the full screen mode. Once you got done that, save the settings and open the game so you can check the results. Get ready to become a Dragonborn, you guys. You guys are going to love it because I'm also a Dragonborn. All the best. And it's working. I hope this helps you guys. If you guys like this video, then please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye. Dovahkiin, I like this song, but I don't know its lyrics. Whatever, dude, I don't know how to sing. So I will end this song right here and now.